Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through list of figures, how you can make list of figures. So without wasting your time, you're going to open Microsoft Word. After opening, you'll go to insert. You insert a blank space, then on it you write a heading, which is for this case list of figures. So after writing this, you go to another page. In the second page, we are going to write our title for the table, which is I suggest we use table 1. Then this will be our first table. Then we shall insert, of course you enter, and then you insert a table. We shall choose this so this is our table. So this same table, you're going to copy it. You highlight and Control C to copy it. Then you insert another blank space, blank page. Let's insert like 2 more. So where is our blank space? So in these blank pages, you insert, you paste the table that we copied. Control V for pasting. You paste. So you paste in the blank pages. Let's see if there is any. There is this. You control. You first. You make sure that the page is active. Then you Control V. You paste. You move to the next page and you activate it by pressing on your cursor, then you Control V. So when you're done pasting, okay, then let's check the pages that we have. So from here, let me see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. Let's have 1 table per page. So after putting this, then you go to you go to subtitle and you right click, you select modify, then you make it automatic, and yeah, read automatic. Then you come to formatting. We shall use Times New Roman. Then we can okay, then you go to format, you go to paragraph, then you under spacing, you see after, and make it 0. You make it 0, and then for the line spacing, put double, then OK, and OK. So now when you're done, you come to each page and make sure that all your tables are under subtitle. So you click and you subtitle. You go to the next page, you click and subtitle. Then you go to the third page, you click and subtitle. Then you go to, this is our last page, click and subtitle. So when you're done with putting your tables under subtitle, you go back to our heading, the first page. Then you just click on it, and then you come to heading, you right click and modify, then you come under formatting, you put it under Times New Roman, then this one you can put 11, also put automatic. Then for the position here, you can put then you move this to middle. After making it middle, this one is okay. Then you press OK, and you come to, you first move the cursor, then you come to reference, insert, table of figures. Under here so under insert table of figure, you go to options, and then you mark style, heading, and OK. Then OK. The subtitle. Does it mean all this is now? I cannot.
No, you undo. You undo.
I mean, I did it in the video.
Yeah, but you undo it.
Okay, sorry for. So when you come to insert table of figures, you will select options, and then you mark style. Under this heading 1, you will go to more options, then you choose subtitles, then you press OK and OK. Then your tables of figures will now show. So like this is what we have. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through introduction to Excel. So as you know, I don't waste time. Let's dive into it. So you start by opening a new Excel, Microsoft Excel file. Then you open it. So in Excel we have features. So we have this. If you're following my cursor, this is the ribbon, and we have the tabs. The tabs are this that looks like headings, of which when you click you find the ribbons, the content of the ribbon changes. So we have home tab. So under a tab there is a group. There are groups of features that you use to manage a specific thing that you're doing. Like we have the clipboard, we have the font, which helps you to manage your font. We have the argument, which helps you to manage it. We have the numbers. In case you're dealing with numbers, it helps you to manage your working. The style, the cell editing, in case you have any problem or mistake. We have the insert tab, of which under there are also many groups of features that can help you to manage. Like this table, it helps you to manage your table. We have illustration, in case you have any. The group of illustration will help you to manage your illustration. The add-in, the charts, and the spark lines, the filters, the text symbols, in case you're supposed to insert. We have the page layout tab, of which the ribbon also consists of different forms, groups. We have the theme, we have the page setup, we have the scale to fit, the sheet option, the arrangement. We have formulas tab, which helps you, which has groups under the ribbon, which will help you manage your working. We have the function library. We have the define names. We have formula addition. We have calculations, and we have data. We have of which it has groups. It depends on the question. When you want to deal with something like you're supposed to get external data, you come under this group. Will help you locate or search for your data. We have review tab, which helps you in reviewing your data. We have the group of proving, language, comments, changes, ink. Then we have view tab, which helps you to manage your viewing. Then we have when you come down, you find this is formula. FX, it stands for formula. So whatever formula you're going to use here will be written up. For example, when you when you type in any formula in your cell here, it will display. For example, we have let me activate this cell. So an active cell is one which is bordered by a bold green light, and it seems like I'm escaping something, which is our rows ones which are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the columns which are alphabetical. We have A, B, C, D. So a cell is the intersection of a row and a column. So an active one is one which is bordered by a bold green line. So when you're typing in your formula, like you want to get sum of something, you see that this same formula that you're typing here will be written up there. So this is where your formulas get written. So also we have sheets. This is sheet 1, but if you have many work, you can add in more sheets to accommodate your work. You tap in just this plus. To add more sheets. When you want to add new sheet, so you just tap in add to. My PC has some problem, but you just tap in this plus sign to add another sheet. Yeah, it has already come, so that this will be your sheet 2 to accommodate your work. Then we have this that looks like adjustment, which helps you to zoom in or out your working. So when you go to negative direction, it zooms out, zooms in. Okay, then we have this arrow that points to left hand side. That one is to undo, and we have this one which helps you to redo. In case you mistakenly delete something, you can just come up here and get your work restored. So this is briefly what I can tell you about Excel. It is an interesting thing to learn, which will help you to do many work. Thank you. Wait for my next video. I'll teach you how to make report cards. Thank you.